Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, June 29th, 2020. We have a short week this week as we're getting ready for the 4th of July weekend. So let's dive into it because it's going to be a little unsettled, but not a washout. So don't cancel your plans just yet. But a very interesting weather pattern is going to be evolving. So for today, we have a cold front that has pushed off the coast, and that's leading to scattered or broken cloud cover this morning along the coast, but clearing skies the rest of the region. We do have some fog hanging out around the mid-Hudson River Valley and back towards the Catskills, but all that's starting to lift away. And that cloud cover is pushing off the coast, so the New Jersey coast has clear skies. Portions of the eastern Long Island right around here still has some broken cloud cover. So it's all clearing out, setting up to be a really nice day. Temperatures range from the mid-60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid-70s along the coast, but again, that northwesterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. On our surface map, this low pressure system is a surface reflection of an upper level low that is going to be a real pain in the neck for the rest of this upcoming week. Today, not so much, but after that, well, if you like showers and thunderstorms, this is going to be your week, that is for sure. If you don't, well, there's always movies. So this cold front is cleared off the coast. This high pressure system is building in, but this low pressure system and the upper level low associated with it is not going anywhere anytime soon. When we take a look at the satellite picture, our upper level low is starting to organize and develop, and we're on the western side of it for right now. And so that generally means scattered cloud cover and generally dry conditions. I can't rule out an isolated shower for Connecticut, Long Island, maybe parts of the Hudson River Valley, but for the most part, we're looking at dry weather conditions today. But notice these colder cloud tops here. All of this moisture is going to get wrapped around this upper level low from the Atlantic and drop right into our neck of the woods for tomorrow and Wednesday, and probably continuing on through Thursday as well. And every time that we reach what we call instability in the atmosphere, because we have cold air aloft, warm air at the bottom, so that warm air rises, and boom, you get your showers and thunderstorms. So that's what we're going to experience every afternoon after today. So again, not a washout, but a bit of a pain in the neck. As we zoom in closer to home, you can see those clouds starting to clear out pretty nicely as the sun is rising. Again, more of a broken cloud shield as you head towards eastern Connecticut and eastern Long Island. But as we move towards the New York City and Philadelphia metro, sunny skies. So again, not too bad of a morning. And for the most part, it is going to remain dry today. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but for the most part, not bad. Now, here is a theme that we're going to be dealing with for this entire week on through the upcoming 4th of July weekend. If you're along the coast, it is going to be much cooler than if you're in the Delaware River Valley. So for today, it's not as drastic. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 80s along the coast and mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. For tonight, watch out for some fog. Other than that, scattered broken cloud cover, maybe an isolated shower, but not really anything that's going to be significant. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, watch out for some scattered to widely scattered showers and a few isolated thunderstorms. These showers are going to be capable of some very heavy downpours, though. So one town may get next to nothing. The next town might get a half an inch of rain. That's pretty much going to be the theme for tomorrow and also for Wednesday. Temperatures tomorrow will range. This is where things start to get a little wacky. Along the coast, mid-70s to lower 80s. In the Delaware River Valley, mid-80s to lower 90s. Kind of see where that gradient's setting up. On Wednesday, rinse and repeat. Fog in the morning, showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows, maybe a few lower 70s down towards Cape May and Wildwood. High temperatures are going to range on Wednesday. Again, nice gradient. Mid 70s to lower 80s on the coast, mid 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. For Thursday, same scenario, rinse, repeat, same setup. Temperatures will range from the mid 60s to lower 70s for lows and upper 70s to mid 80s along the coast and upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. Now, Friday is going to be a very interesting day. Ahead of this, on Thursday, you're going to have a hot and humid air mass basically dominating the Great Lakes here, okay? On Friday, that air mass drops towards our area. Now, depending on how the air downslopes off the Appalachian Mountains, it could get pretty toasty around the Delaware River Valley on Friday. I'm going to back off on some of the model guidance, though. It's a little bit too aggressive for my taste. Still, watch out for some fog in the morning, isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Temperatures range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows. High temperatures will range from the mid 80s to lower 90s on the coast and mid 90s in the Delaware River Valley. There is some guidance out there that suggests temperatures pushing up into the upper 90s to lower 100s, but I'm going to hold off on that until I get a little bit better data and a little bit more confidence in that type of forecast. On Saturday and Sunday, this is where things get interesting again. Backdoor cold front. How far to the west does this cold front get really determines the forecast. This forecast here is rather aggressive, okay? So basically, along the coast and locations to the east of the backdoor cold front for Saturday and Sunday can expect scattered to broken cloud cover and isolated showers possible, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s for lows and mid 70s to lower 80s for highs. However, if that backdoor cold front stalls out, let's say around the Delaware River Valley for both these days, and you're talking about low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s and high temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s, with also a threat for a thunderstorm or two. So we're going to have to watch that very carefully, see how that all shakes out. And then on Monday, the backdoor cold front retreats. Everyone's pretty much in the same pattern with a threat for an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s around Long Island because of a southerly wind. Everyone else, mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. If you enjoyed this forecast, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe out there.